Welcome to Nerd Out. It's the first break of the day. It's for our good friend Miracle Alien Cookies, because when you want alien cookies, they're definitely a miracle. This is box 250 of the Collector's Mystery Combo Box Edition Pack and Slab. I love this this product because regardless, you get a pack and a slab. This is box 250, so this is the end of the line. Let's see what mysteries are in store. All right. Do you want to know what the slab or the pack is first? Yeah, I'll figure it. Doesn't matter. Okay. It is Lost Origins Sword and Shield, which is a good set. I enjoy this set. Did you want this saved so your son can rip it? Because I could send that. And let's see. 2016 Pokemon XY. Mint 9. All right. All right, so you want me to rip it then? What are you? Oh, sweet. Raichu. Pokemon Evolutions from XY. It's the updated to the classic Raichu. He went from 70 HP to 100 HP. Okay. This is cool. It's in a 9. Let's see how this centering is. Centering's good. It's probably the corners. There's a little bit of whitening on like this corner and then this corner. So that must be why it went from like a 10 to an, oh, there's like a print line through it. Right behind, like underneath his armpits on the hollow foil. So that must be why it's a 9 instead of a 10. But that's still pretty sweet. It's like a classic. And I will rip this and see where we go. Morning, my guy. Storage and sword. 2, 3, 4. Energy. Gloom. C-Dot. Murkrow. It's the Gordran. The Hisunen Gordran Hollow. It would have been sweet if it would have been a hollow. Oh no, it's Lost Origins. That would have been a Giratina. That would have been a ball. I'd have lost my mind. But still, not a bad pack. Actually, not a bad box. I like it. I would have been happy with this. I've always liked Raichu. I built a deck with him this Raichu way back in the day. Thanks a lot. We'll get this right out to you.